Hello students, today's topic is method of solving Bernoulli's equation. Consider the equation dy by dx plus py equal to q into y raised to n where n not equal to 1. Dividing by y raised to n we get 1 upon y raised to n dy by dx plus 1 upon y raised to n minus 1 into p equal to q. Putting 1 upon y raised to n minus 1 equal to v. Derivative of this term with respect to x, we get this term. Then substitution in equation. In this equation we get the form 1 upon 1 minus n dv by dx plus pv equal to q. In the equation is in the form of v, which is linear in v. Now solve it earlier method and resubstitute 1 upon y raised to n minus 1 equal to v. The example on Bernoulli's equation is solve x square y minus x cube dy by dx equal to y raised to 4 into cos x. The given equation can be written as x cube dy by dx plus y raised to 4 cos x equal to x square y. Then dividing by x cube we get dy by dx plus y raised to 4 upon x cube cos x equal to 1 upon x into y. Then further we can write this equation as dy by dx minus 1 by x into y equal to minus y raised to 4 cos x upon x cube. This equation in the standard form of Bernoulli's equation dy by dx plus py equal to q into y raised to n. Then further we can solve by divide by y raised to 4 we get 1 upon y raised to 4 dy by dx minus 1 by x 1 upon y cube equal to minus cos x upon x cube. That is, we can write this is y raised to minus 4 dy by dx minus 1 by x into y raised to minus 3 equal to minus cos x upon x cube. Putting y raised to minus 3 equal to v. Therefore, derivative of this term with respect to x is minus 3 y raised to minus 4 dy by dx equal to dv by dx. That is, y raised to minus 4 dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 3 dv by dx. Then minus 1 by 3 dv by dx minus 1 upon x into v equal to minus cos x upon x cube. Therefore, further solving dv by dx plus 3 upon x into v equal to 3 cos x upon x cube. Here each term multiply by minus 3, which is linear differential equation in v. Therefore, where Comparing with this standard format of Bernoulli's equation, we get P equal to 3 by x, Q equal to 3 cos x upon x cube. Therefore, integrating factor equal to e raised to integration p dx equal to e raised to integration 3 by x into dx. It is e raised to 3 log x. Therefore, x cube. The integrating factor is x cube. Therefore, the solution of given equation is v into integrating factor equal to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. Therefore, v into x cube equal to integration 3 cos x upon x cube into x cube dx plus c. Here this x cube get cancelled. We get v into x cube equal to 3 integration cos x dx plus c. Therefore, v into x cube equal to 3 sin x plus c. Thus, x cube upon y cube equal to 3 sin x plus c, where y raised to minus 3 equal to v. This is the solution of Bernoulli's equation.